infamous. Fun. So what's this video about? I don't know. Yes, I do. I was driving the other day listening to that song, Freedom, and I thought it was so brilliant, and I listened to it. Whenever I listen to it, I listen to it over and over and over and over and over and over again, because it's so brilliant, really, really loud. And I thought with its fast pace, it would be good to do some sort of motorcycle footage. So I've been incredibly indulgent, used all footage of myself because I don't have footage of other people obviously, and made a video. And I was thinking about that whole thing, freedom, and about well, that is somewhere that we all are very free, on our two wheels, or maybe some people on the four wheels or whatever it is. But it is definitely a sort of beautiful motorised freedom. And then I was thinking, because I may as well just chatter, I was thinking about the Union Jack, and how to me the Union Jack is very important. Being English, British, very important to me. And I'm very proud of my country. And I was thinking about the sort of negative connotations that the flag has, or that some people have for the flag. So people say to me, "You're not a fascist, are you?" Or, I don't know, they think that I'm going to be really right-wing or a fascist or something, just because parading the Union Jack flag. And that's something I really love when I go to America. The stars and stripes everywhere. And I really like it because it's not my flag, but I think how lovely that they're so proud of their country. They've got this flag flying. I wish we did more in this country. I do. I've got one at the bottom of my drive. And then I was thinking about that whole thing, what some people see as England, and they see sort of negative things, and there's negative things everywhere. And I was thinking about what I think when I think of England. And I think of rolling fields and hedgerows and the Kinks and Vaughan Williams and The Last Resort and pocket handkerchiefs and Morris dancers and steak and kidney pudding and roast beef and all our British birds, flora and fauna and mammalian life. These are all things that I think of, and stone walls, and sort of think for whiskey at the moment, which is really bad. So if you see him drink any whiskey, which you might, I don't encourage him, he just does it. So bad. You are, Major. So I was thinking about all of those things, and how in our freedom, in our love of our country, comes our freedom as well. Oh, it's not just that as well. I think of the people, of course, and that's something I really love. That whole sort of cultural thing, when you go to different countries and experience a different culture, and that's so important to me, the culture of England and the culture of Britain as well, because we're all very, very different, aren't we, in Britain. I'm not going to ask you if you want any. Two wheels, mental, which I've spoken about, mental and physical freedom, about enjoying your country, And how lovely it is to go what was that about? How lovely it is to go travelling. But then, how we should enjoy our own country. With me, people say, I mean, they'd never think that I'd like skinhead music because, you know, they say I'm posh. Who would have thought that a posh bird like me would like skinhead music? But why should being posh not let you appreciate something that's really, really good? What I love is that sort of driving force and that sort of positive aggression, you know, and energy. I really love all of that. I always say I love anything as long as it's got bollocks. Have you got bollocks? Yes. Anyway, it is funny though. Oh look, there's Union Jack. It is funny though, I used to make hats years ago as a business. And when people say, oh, what sort of hats do you make? And then they'd always think that I make wedding hats or something. And when I was a singer, people always thought that I'd be singing opera music. It's really weird. So, you know, I've spoken before about stereotypes and preconceptions and misconceptions as well. Do you want any? She says, no, not on camera. I'm pretending that I'm a magpie of sobriety. So, and I know winter's coming and the goose is getting fat, but you can still go out when the day is right and enjoy that freedom of your own country and spin about on your two wheels. Well, no, not spin. But a few years ago I went to a ska gig and I was very elegantly dressed up, as I can be. And I can't remember what I had on, but I do remember, only because of the story, what I'm going to tell you. I had on a pair of very beautiful Miu Miu high heels. And I was sitting there waiting for my friend who was at the bar, and then a skinhead came over to me. And he said, I like your shoes, but not in my voice. I like your shoes. My shoes. So I said, thank you very much. And then, but he sort of wanted to talk to me some more, so I said, do you like skinhead music? And he said, yeah. And I said, what? And he went, well, just stuff. Not thinking I'd know anything. And I said, do you like The Last Resort? And he went, he said, what? And then I said some other stuff. I don't know. Whatever it was. I do know. But anyway, and then he said, do you listen to skinhead music? And I said, yes. And then he shouted out to all his skinhead friends at the bar and he said, oh, remember what I said the other day? About never judging a book by its cover. He said, look, the lady with the beautiful shoes, or something. She likes skinhead music. And that's the thing. And I've said stuff like this before. That I don't know why my hair's being so annoying. Enjoy your freedom, however you want to do it. Enjoy your motorcycle in any season. And remember, not to judge and not to point because it's rude. Anyway, oh, I know what I was going to tell you as well. Today is Friday. It's not actually, today is Thursday night. But I'm putting this out tomorrow, I hope. And that's Friday. And I was going to say that on Saturday in London, I can't say it properly, Harley Davidson are having something called Winterville. And I'm going to that. So if you're watching this on Friday and you're near London or live in London, come and say hello because I will be there. And it's so to wear your festival jumpers. So I'm really excited to wear my Father Christmas dress. I don't look like Father Christmas in it. I shouldn't say Father Christmas dress. Really excited to wear my Christmas dress and just sort of get ready for Christmas. I'm not actually feeling Christmas at the moment. So if you're going to that, come and say hello. I'd like it very much.